looks like a Hollywood star over there with the dog on the chair and everything. Car in the background. Look at there. See? We gotta put the red truck behind you. This car's gotta go. Or that little red thing you drive. What is it?
Yeah, the Viper. Put it behind the Viper.
Yeah, the Viper, you're right.
I was gonna bring my car today too.
Perfect time. You would have sold it.
No, because I can't be out here to watch it. They'll be all over, and then I gotta shoot somebody.
Yeah.
I figured I'd do that.
Dominic.
You guys work with Oh yeah, you're right. What was I thinking?
That's right here.
He cool, honey. You look good with your bulldog.